welcome to episode 2 of our van conversion series. Today we're insulating the entire van floor to ceiling and also adding some sound dampening material.
We decided to go with a product called Reflectix. We'll leave links in the description below to all the products we use, but we use spray adhesive to attach it to all the walls. We also had to make sure we cut slits for all the lights so they could drop down through as we went down the end of the van. So let's get started.
We made sure we covered every piece of metal in the van, but you will see in a future video we had to cut out some sections as the wood box goes in. We also added some aluminum tape to hold everything together.
So we got a little carried away and we forgot to add the sound dampening material before we actually put the insulation up in the ceiling, of course. So all we're gonna do is just cut out some little slots, place that sound dampening material in there, and then close it back up. This sound dampening material is really awesome and it turns all of those rattly sort of tinging noises more into like a thud noise. In this demonstration here, we're gonna show you the before. And now here is the after. As you can tell, it really makes a huge difference and you only need about 20% coverage for it to be effective. I'll leave links in the description below to the stuff we decided to use. Worked really well and was super cheap. So I highly recommend you check that out. If you're planning on doing one of these builds, it makes a huge, huge difference. Stuff's like a once it sticks, you're done sort of thing.
Yeah. Okay, so that wasn't so bad to get around. We are continuing right along on putting insulation down the walls, and we're also adding sound dampening material to the floors. planning on putting the bench seat back in, so we're using our mat as a template to cut out all the holes so the seat can screw back into the floor.
Oops.
Today went by super quick, and I'm so glad we decided to use that sound dampening material. It really helped with all those rattling noises.
Next week we're tackling putting on the wood panels to our ceiling, and we finally get to see how the end product will look.
Yep, that's when all the real hard work starts, but we'll see you guys next week. I hope you're enjoying the series.
Me too. That's a wrap on season 2.
It's not a season, it's an episode.
I mean, that's a wrap on episode 2.